Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, August 1st. The Zen story for today is titled The Dog Who Remembered. The cat was stretched out in a patch of afternoon sun near the old gate when it heard the sound, a slow, uneven rhythm in the dust. The cat opened an eye. The dog stood at the edge of the path, one back paw dragging slightly with each step, leaving a faint, broken line in the earth behind. Its fur was patchy in places, ears slightly bent, but its eyes were steady, bright in a way that the cat almost recognized but didn't dare name. The dog lowered itself with a soft grunt. I wondered if you'd still come here, the dog said quietly. The cat flicked its tail but didn't reply. The dog shifted its weight, exhaling a little harder than before. We used to watch the temple walls, you and I, it continued, the words coming slowly, as if testing their own shape. You on the east side, me on the west, every morning by the bell. The words stirred something deeper this time, not a thought, but a flicker of sensation. And then, like a sudden jolt, they can't remember it. The east wall, bathed in morning light, its shadow just beginning to pull across the courtyard. The dog, younger than, eager in ways the cat never quite understood, had stood tall by the west gate, head high, chest forward, as if holding back an invisible army only it could see. The cat, silent as breath, had watched from the far side. One morning, a single leaf had blown between them, spinning lazily in the breeze. Not prey, not threat, just a leaf, dancing the line between their posts. The dog had shifted first, paws light on the stone. The cat had watched without moving, waiting for the leaf to drift closer. And when it did, neither of them chased it. They had simply stood there, facing each other across the courtyard, watching the leaf settle in the center of the space between them. The memory passed. The dog let out a dry half laugh. Maybe you don't remember it, whispered. Or maybe you do, and you are just better at leaving things behind. A small leaf scraped across the stones between them, curling towards the edge of the gate. This time, the dog did not follow it. Its gaze stayed steady, as if it knew better than to chase what was already gone. I had a dream, the dog murmured after a long pause. You were on the roof, watching the stars. The cat shifted its weight, feeling the ground beneath its paws. The dog smiled softly, seeing the small movement. You always did that when you didn't want to answer. The space between them held. Finally, the dog stood, its limp more pronounced than the silence. Or maybe it whispered, I've been chasing the wrong memory. Without waiting for a reply, it turned toward the trees, dragging its broken line behind it. The cat watched until the sound disappeared, ears tilted forward, body unmoving. And when the dust had fully settled, the cat stood. It walked the long curve of the temple walls until it reached the east gate. There, in the place where the light used to fall, it lowered itself to the ground, just sitting, facing the empty courtyard, as if listening to something no one else could hear. And somewhere deep in the night, beneath breath and bone, the bell began to ring. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. If you'd like, close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Can silence between two beings carry more truth than words ever could? Can silence between two beings carry more truth than words ever could? And now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can silence between two beings carry more truth than words ever could? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.